Listen and practice speaking skills. Jake. Is that you?
Olivia. I can't believe it's you. How long has it been?
Ages. What are you doing here?
Just out for a morning run. You.
I'm here to sketch some ideas for a new project. This park has always been so inspiring.
Still the artist at heart, I see. Mind if I join you for a bit?
Not at all. Have a seat.
So, what have you been up to? Still living in the city?
Yeah, I'm still here. Been working on freelance design projects lately. How about you?
I moved out of the city a couple of years ago. Needed a change of pace. Now I'm working remotely as a software developer.
That sounds like a good balance. Do you miss city life?
Sometimes. But the quiet of the suburbs has its charm too. Plus, it's nice to have space for my dog to run around.
Oh, you have a dog now? That's awesome.
Yeah, her name's Luna. She's a rescue, and she's been a great companion. Do you have any pets?
No pets, but I've been thinking about getting a cat. They seem like the perfect company for a creative like me.
They do have that calm, independent vibe. Fits you well.
Thanks. So, tell me more about your work. Anything exciting going on?
Actually, yes. I'm working on a new app that helps people learn languages through immersive experiences. We're trying to make it as interactive and engaging as possible.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to learn Italian. Maybe your app could help me.
I'd love for you to try it when it's ready. Speaking of languages, didn't you take a trip to Italy a few years back?
I did. It was incredible. The food, the culture, the art. It was like stepping into a different world.
Sounds amazing. Do you plan to go back?
Definitely. There's still so much I want to see. What about you? Any travel plans?
I've been thinking about Japan. The blend of tradition and modernity there fascinates me. Plus, I want to see the cherry blossoms in full bloom.
Japan is on my list too. Imagine the inspiration you could draw from the landscapes and the architecture.
Exactly. Hey, have you seen any good movies lately?
Actually, yes. I watched this indie film called Yesterday's Echo. It's about a musician who wakes up in a world where no one remembers the Beatles except him. Really thought-provoking.
I've heard of that one. Sounds intriguing. Did you like it?
Loved it. It made me think about how art shapes our lives and how different the world would be without certain influences.
That's deep. I'll have to check it out. I've been watching a lot of documentaries lately. Just finished one on the evolution of technology in music production. Fascinating stuff.
I'd love to watch that. I've always been curious about how technology influences creativity.
I'll send you the link. It's really eye-opening. By the way, are you still into sketching architecture?
Yes, actually. I've been working on a series that blends futuristic concepts with classical styles. It's a challenge, but I love it.
That sounds like a great project. I'd love to see your sketches sometime.
I'd be happy to show you. Maybe we can meet up for coffee, and I'll bring my sketchbook.
I'd like that. It's really nice catching up like this. I've missed our talks.
Me too. It's easy to lose touch with life being so busy, but this feels just like old times.
Absolutely. Remember our college days? We'd stay up all night discussing everything from philosophy to sci-fi.
Oh, I remember. We'd argue about the best way to end a story and whether time travel could ever be possible.
Good times. It's funny how some things never change.
Yeah. Speaking of time travel, did you ever finish that novel you were working on back then?
I did, actually. I published it online, and it got a decent response. It's still a work in progress, but I'm happy with how it turned out.
That's fantastic. I'd love to read it. You always had a way with words.
Thanks, Olivia. It means a lot. I'll send you a link to it. Maybe you can give me some feedback.
I'd be honored. So, what's next on your list of goals?
I'm hoping to take some time off to travel and find new inspiration for my writing. What about you?
I want to hold an exhibition of my art. It's a big goal, but I'm determined to make it happen.
You should definitely go for it. Your work deserves to be seen.
Thanks, Jake. I really appreciate your support.
Anytime. You know, it's nice to think about the future and our dreams, but it's also important to enjoy moments like these.
Exactly. Life is too short to not appreciate the little things.
Agreed. Let's make a pact to stay in touch more often and not let life get in the way.
Deal. And let's plan that coffee meetup soon.
Absolutely. Here's to more conversations and making new memories.
It's been great seeing you, Jake. Let's not wait so long to do this again.
Definitely. Take care, Olivia. See you soon.